Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML elements, the HTML quotation and citations elements. So quickly, let's get started. So today we are using the BDO element. The BDO element is for bidirectional override. BDO stands for bidirectional override. The HTML BDO tags is used to override the current text direction. For example, you will see when we use the BDO tag, opening and closing tag, along with the dir tag, dir attribute, along with the value, the RTL rotate to the left, RTL RTL value. Inside this dir, you will see that this text will write from, instead of writing this text will be, it will start from writing counting. It will count it from T F E L to, so it will all start from here again. Instead of writing it right, it will change the direction of the text. So but compulsory, you must have this dir attribute inside the BDO element, you can see, and also you must have this RTL. If not, it will never works. So quickly, let's show how it works. Come here to our document. Let's paste it. Let's remove this one first and see how our document looks. This is the BDO element. As you can see, BDO. Let me do it in a simple way so you can see how it looks. Save this. Instead of writing from WRITTEN, it will start writing from NETTIRW. So let's see how it looks. Come to our browser and reload it. Can you see? It never works now because we have not put the override there. So let's put the dir override like this. Put it here. Dir tag without this value. Let's see how it works. It will never show because we haven't put the main value. As you can see, we haven't put value there. In our attribute, we must put RTL, rotate to the left, so it can rotate. Let's see how it, can you see? So any words you write here, writing to the text, everything, can you see how everything rotates? It rotates from the right to the left. So I think we are done for today. This is what I want to show you, show everyone. You can use it to dynamically do your document anyhow you want it, and you can style it also. You can give it a style, give it font family, let's say Algeria. Save it and reload it. Can you see how it looks? So you can do it anyhow you want. I think this is very good. It's a very great start for you to understand the BDO element. So quickly, you should understand it. Every time you want to use it, you must put the dir attribute along with the value, which is RTL, rotate left, so it can work better. So let's see how it looks again. As you can see, so I think we are done for today on the BDO element. So quickly recap. In this tutorial so far, we have discussed about the HTML quotation and citation elements, the ABBR tag, the address tag, BDO tag, the block code tag, site tag. Description on it is that the ABBR tag is for abbreviation, defines an abbreviation or acronyms. The address defines the contact information for the author or owner of a document. The BDO defines the text direction, which we just used now. And also, the block code defines a section that is quoted from another source. So the site defines the title of a work. So I think we are done for today. And also we have defined the Q tag. The Q defines a short inline quotation. So for us, I think we have we are already done for today. So I will see you next time. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. So bye bye. Have a great day. Thank you.